Can run very fast. Hippo loves to relieve tension. When he's not working, he spends most of the time hunting. Good news, Good wife to hear everyone that hunts and fishes with.